All right, so Brandy talked to you about the 5-pointed star. But there is a 6th point of this communication star, and that is the sports psych. So when do you bring in a sports psych? First of all, of course I would say anytime. Whenever you have an injured athlete, a sports psych can be really, really helpful in working with this injured athlete. But instead of just saying anytime, I also want you to look at some times where you really should bring in a sports psych, and that is if your athlete is showing signs of depression, if they're showing extreme anger, if they're not moving forward and moving through these phases and getting closer to acceptance, if your athlete has a lot of negative thinking over and over again, and definitely if your athlete is having a lot of fears, either fears about coming back or fears as they're learning their new skills. Those are times you really want to elicit the help of a sports psych. What the sports psych will do? Well, first of all, hopefully the sports psych will work hand in hand with you. I know for me as a sports psych, my job is to work with the coach to see how I can help the coach and the athlete and the parent deal with all this in a better way. But as a sports psych, I'm going to help the athlete externalize negative feelings. I'm going to help the athletes be able to change their thoughts and get out of spirals that they might go into. I'm going to help them create drills with mental choreography, with watching video that are going to help them return faster and get their skills back faster. So I'm going to give them a bunch of tools and drills that'll really help them recover from the injury faster. So again, you want to do all the communication with the 5-pointed star, but if you really feel like you want to go the extra mile, then you want to bring in the sports psych too as the 6th point of the star.